Now we come to 54. So I read this is my thesis. I think, am I reading you again correctly? Someone like me who has significant agricultural ancestry will have to switch to a hunter-gatherer pattern of nutrition and activity if I want to slow my aging down.
Yes, and that's a certainty in my opinion. And then the question mark is, what can you accomplish in terms of cessation of aging?
Yeah.
Can we actually stop your aging before the extreme old age in which it will naturally stop, even on an agricultural diet?
Yeah. Yeah.
And I feel the answer is qualitatively yes, to at least some extent. And it's a very interesting research question, on the one hand, in terms of my laboratory and what we can do with Drosophila, but then fundamentally, because each individual is genomically unique, each individual will have there's huge variation in the human genome from person to person. Each of us is like a different old master painting.
Really?
We're not the same thing. We're not like a bunch of lithographed Andy Warhol prints. We're each like a different Rembrandt painting. Okay? And because of that, I can't tell you exactly how much you, Rob Patterson, will benefit from making this transition. That's for each person to determine for themselves. For example, I have good friends and colleagues who are African American. My crude expectation is they will benefit much more from this transition than I will. My certainty is that a pure Inuit from northern Canada will benefit the most by doing something like this.
Right.
But each individual is a unique case.
Yeah.
So each individual who's over the age of 40, 45, or 50 can do this experiment for themselves. And they can find out. I'm throwing down the challenge to the hierarchy, to the biomedical church of our time. As Galileo said, pick up a telescope, look to the heavens, see what's there. It doesn't match what they're telling you. Okay? Those are not perfect celestial orbs. There are moons that spin around Jupiter. Okay?
Okay.
You've got orbits of things that are not orbiting the Earth. All right? Doesn't all rotate around the Earth. I'm saying, put down your Twinkie, put down your cigarette, put down your scotch, change your diet, change your activity pattern. If you're a middle-aged person, I expect over the course of a few years, you will experience a personal health revolution. This will not cure cancer. It will not resuscitate dead heart tissue. It will not repair the damage of a stroke. We're not talking about the wonders of acute medicine, and I'm a big fan of medicine when it's treating acute disorders. What we're talking about is how best you can sustain your health and function for the rest of your life.